Presenting Voltas Beko 8 dishwasher that comes in silver color. This tabletop dishwasher is to install even in smaller size kitchen. It has 8 place settings and 6 wash programs for efficient washing of dishes. The design of this dishwasher allows you to wash a wide range of dishes. The dishwasher is equipped with an inbuilt water heater which heats water up to 70 degrees for effective cleaning. The user-friendly electronic control with push touchpad makes it convenient to use. The touch panel is waterproof. This dishwasher comes with 2 years warranty on product and 4 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.